One of the available options we can put in any vehicle is Apple CarPlay, wireless, and Android Auto. This one has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right here sitting on the dash. We can install this in any car, no matter what the factory stereo. You think you can't have it, we can do it. That is an available option. Right here is your electronic air horn button. You press the button and it honks the electronic horn. So this has traffic advisor. You can turn on the traffic advisor and you can change the mode. It's plugged in to the cigarette lighter plug, and you just push the right button to change to a different mode. As you click through, the flash pattern will change. This is the more affordable, and this does the ticket. Every time you push, it changes the mode. We offer leather interior installation, so we can upgrade from cloth seats to leather seats. We did this police Tahoe with all leather interior, including a center seat. Custom leather can be ordered in stock colors or custom colors. If you've already paid for the vehicle or own the vehicle, we can add it. You can have pink or tan or red, whatever color you want. Multicolored seat is possible, or stock looking like this one, where we put black custom leather in a Chevy Tahoe 2022. Looked really good.
Order your custom leather to your personal taste.